welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have something fun planned for you guys. So this, honestly, I literally shot this video yesterday. Like, it was super last minute. And when I say yesterday, I mean today. Like, I just shot this video on Thursday and I have to put this video up tomorrow. I actually had something else planned for this week, but for some reason that wasn't happening. And then suddenly I got this idea and I was like, okay, why not? Let's try it out. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, then you know that I do a lot of these type of recreation type of videos. Till now I've done like TV show characters, I've done celebs. So this time I decided to do it with a blogger because I myself am a blogger and there are so many amazing Indian bloggers, and I just wanted to do someone who I think almost everyone loves for her style. She has a very unique style, and of course you can tell by the title of this video, it is Komal Pandey. So yeah, I just thought it'd be like a fun little video to try and recreate some of her looks from her Instagram, and not just recreate the looks but also try to get the picture as well as much as I can. And before I get started with this video, I just want to put this out there that I am not trying to be her, I'm not trying to look like her. I'm very happy looking like myself, but this is just like a fun little video where I try to recreate her outfits. So yeah, having said that, without any further ado, let's get started. So as usual, before doing any shoots, I went and did a little bit of homework, which means that I just went to her Instagram feed and I scrolled and looked at all of her pictures, and I just shortlisted a couple of pictures that I thought that I could possibly recreate, because you guys have to take in the fact that I can't actually go out to recreate some of these pictures. I have to recreate all of these pictures within my house itself, so obviously the background is not going to be the same at all. I did a lot of jugaad to get the outfits to look as close to hers as possible. So yeah, a lot of jugaad went into that as well. So I selected like 4 pictures to recreate. So let's just get started with the first one. As you can see, she's wearing like a black tube top and just some nice loose jeans, a nice little black belt, and of course a fanny pack and these glasses. I just really love this picture. This is something I would say is pretty close to my personal style. So this was very easy to recreate. The only problem was that I didn't have a basic black bandeau. In the future, I'm gonna get myself a black bandeau, but for now, I just had this like plain black spaghetti top with these really cool straps, and I just decided to turn that into a bandeau. So I just tucked in the straps, and that's it. It was as easy as that. I had like very similar like baggy jeans that she's wearing, and I also had like a very similar belt which had like a very long belt basically, and I didn't really have the exact fanny pack. I do have a fanny pack, but it's not a plain black one. So instead of that, I ended up using this purse, which actually kind of looks like a fanny pack. So yeah, my outfit wise, I think I was pretty spot on with this outfit. The only problem was that she's actually sitting outside in a cafe or something like that, I guess. I just set up like a stool, I put like a white bedsheet over it, and I think the background and everything worked pretty well for this outfit. She's having her arm rested like on the chair, and I didn't have anything like that, so I just pretended to rest my arm. Overall, pretty happy with this outfit, and I think the outfit is kind of cute. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, or you can actually rate these pictures and let me know whether I nailed it or not. So moving on to the second picture. So in this picture, she's actually clicked it in a studio, or at least that's what I'm assuming it's a studio. The background and the floor is the same color. She's actually wearing like a white shirt dress, and then inside she's wearing like a very cute bright floral bralette. The only bralette I have is like black or white. I don't really have like a colorful one. So for this, I had to do like a major jugaad. I actually found out that I have a t-shirt which has like very similar colors to what she's wearing on her bralette, and I thought, okay, you know what, I'm gonna fold it and try to wear it like a bandeau so that it comes close to a bralette or something like that. This is like a major jugaad situation. She does have a lot of accessories going on. So she has these cute little hairpins, like nice little big dangly earrings. Hairpin wise, I also had like very similar, not the same but very similar hairpins. One more thing I wanted to mention is that in all of these pictures, I'm actually wearing a dark lip. She loves wearing this really dark, like very brown, dark colored lip. This was, I think, the easiest setup to do and the closest to the original picture, because like I said, she was in a studio. As long as you have a white background and a white floor, I think you're good to go. And that's it. I just started shooting my pictures. Now this one, as you can see, she's actually sitting down on the floor, so that was the pose that I went for, and I think the pictures have come out pretty decent. This one, pose wise, was a little harder to replicate, only because the dress wasn't looking the same as how hers was looking, because her dress is like very fitted around the waist. Apart from that minor glitch, I think the picture has turned out okay, not bad, I would say. So moving on to the third picture. So this third picture, I absolutely love the outfit on this. First of all, this outfit is so not suitable for Chennai weather, because it's like such a Delhi like winter type of outfit, I feel. She's actually wearing like a white turtleneck with a cute little slip dress. I think it's a slip dress or either a two-piece, and then thigh-high boots with a cute little beret and everything. And surprisingly, I actually had most of the things that she was wearing, which was awesome. That means that I could actually recreate it. So I don't really have a white turtleneck, but I do have like this really light lavender lilac color mock neck full hand, and that's what I went for. Now coming to the top, this one was a little bit tricky. It has this like satin finish top from Forever 21. So that's a top, but it does like have a very similar neckline to what she's wearing. I also had like this really high slit black skirt from Zara. So I thought I can just pair it and make it look like a dress. And of course I had my thigh-high boots. So she's wearing like a mustard color beret, and all I had was a red one. But apart from that, I think everything else I had it pretty nailed. Now coming to the location, as you guys can see, she's obviously outside, probably in a restaurant. I made like a cute little setup on my terrace. I think it really went well with the outfit that I was wearing. I personally cannot wear this much in Chennai because it's very hot. But other than that, the outfit was actually really cute. This is the final picture, and for this picture, it's again another outdoor shot, but the outfit is actually pretty simple to replicate because I had all of the elements. So first things first, all you need is a black pair of trousers and a simple white oversized shirt, and of course a nice thick black belt. This black belt actually came with my black trousers. It's wearing like these really high chunky black heels, and I don't have that, so I ended up just using my strappy black heels. One major thing that I missed out completely, I don't know why, but I missed out a black bag, and by the time I realized the sun was setting and I really had to get this shot before the sunset because otherwise I will not have any light. So I just decided to leave it out. So that's the only thing I missed out, but everything else I think I pretty much nailed it because it was a very easy outfit to replicate. This is how the picture turned out. You guys let me know if you guys like it or not. I just wanted to mention another very big thing about Komal Pandey's style is that she has like a very specific hairstyle, and obviously as you guys can see, my hair is very different from hers. Obviously I was not going to cut my hair just for the sake of this video, and I don't have a wig or anything like that, so I just let my hair be. Anyway, those are some things that I wanted to mention. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recreation. Please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite and do you think I did a good job. And if you guys like this video and if you want me to do more of these, then let me know in the comments down below who I should do next. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!